Mastering the Writing section of Cambridge English Exams. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an essential component of the Cambridge English Exams, the writing section. We'll explore its format, what's expected from you, and some top strategies to excel. The writing section is a crucial part of the Cambridge English Exams because it assesses how well you can communicate through written English. Whether it's penning a letter, crafting an essay, or narrating a story, this section tests a range of writing skills, showcasing your ability to present ideas coherently and correctly. The Cambridge English Exams offer different tasks based on the level you're taking. However, generally speaking, 1. There will be 2 tasks to complete. 2. The questions will vary from informal to formal writings like letters, essays, or reports. 3. You will be assessed on the content, communicative achievement, organization, and language. 4. It's crucial to stick to the word count mentioned for each task. Going over or under can impact your score. 1. Understand the question. Ensure you understand what is being asked and stay on topic. 2. Plan first. Before diving into writing, take a few minutes to jot down your ideas and structure them. 3. Vary your vocabulary. Avoid repeating the same words. Using synonyms can showcase a broad vocabulary. 4. Mind your grammar. While fluency is essential, don't neglect grammar. Make sure your sentences are correct and varied in structure. 5. Review your work. Always leave a few minutes at the end to review what you've written. Look for any grammar or spelling mistakes. The writing section might seem challenging, but with practice and the right strategies, you can excel. Remember to understand, plan, write, and review. Best of luck with your preparation, and we hope this overview has been enlightening.